Greetings, this is Daniel. I'm going to show you how to build an asymmetrical streetscape using UrbanPaint. Again, I'm going to put a road line here, or a single edge with 1500 feet. I'm going to select the edge and I'm going to go build an UrbanPaint profile. And this time from the top it says asymmetrical instead of symmetrical, which means we have to input both sides of the road in separately. So I'll start here. It's saying total number of lanes on the left, we'll do 2. On the right, we'll do 3. We'll keep the lane width at 11. You can see it'll update the street width. Hit next again, because I'm going to do a median. So on the right parking side, where we had three lanes, we're going to do a parking. We'll do a parallel parking line, and then hit next. And then it's going to ask us left parking and shoulder, so it alternates between each sides of the road. Do striping here, and this time we'll do a shoulder and hit next. Same thing for bike lanes. On the 3-lane side, we won't do a bike lane, so we'll skip that. And on the other side, we'll do a bike lane. We'll include some striping and add some paint to that and hit next. Curb, that is universal for both sides of the street. And then we'll include a median. Again, that's universal. This time we'll do a raised concrete median, 12 feet, and we'll do it at 8 inches in height. Not make it too big. Hit next. So on the right side of the road, we're going to do a 12-foot walk that's detached with an 8-foot lawn. And then for the right side of the detached area, we describe what it is. We're going to do a tree lawn here and hit next, and it's going to ask us how we want to entourage it, and we'll go in there. If you click on that, it'll select all the trees. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to click on just some of these trees here. No tree grates. We'll do a ped light. You can select the ped light here as well, and we'll do street lights. And we'll keep it pretty limited to these options, and then hit next. Now it's going to ask us to do the walk on the left side. This time we'll do an attached walk just for variety. Make this 15 feet and hit next. This time again, if we want to do trees, we don't have a tree lawn, so we'll do some trees, and we'll add some tree grates, some pedestrian lights. And we'll pick the same pedestrian light for symmetry here. Street lights, same thing. And then we won't do parking poles or utility poles. Hit next, and now we have to do the buildings for the right side. And again, you can vary this out. So we'll have to deselect all these. We'll do these buildings on the right side. We have the setbacks here. We'll do a 2-foot setback. We'll keep those distances between the buildings, then hit next. And then we'll do it again for the other side. So the left side, and we'll do a very similar kind of layout here. Make this a little bit bigger buildings. And of course, we save the profile. Call it asymmetrical here and hit save, and then click on build profile. Built the profile very quickly. See what it did? That's actually the shoulder right there, bike lane. And you can redo that and save the profiles as needed to do that. So I'm going to run this again. And this time we'll load the profile we just did, hit open to just do an intersection. And I'm just going to go through all these options again right here, and then just click build profile. And it built the same profile intersection. So there you have it. I didn't add the crosswalks this time. That's how you do an asymmetrical profile. You can do it with a symmetrical profile, but it gives you all the options to create a large variety of different streetscape sections.